Dear students, good morning. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. Subject is maths. This is chapter 3. The name of this chapter is Playing with Numbers. This is 7th video on this chapter. We have in previous 2 videos we have discussed divisibility rule or test for the divisibility of numbers. Without actual division, how we can say any given number is divisible by any number or not? Some rules we have discussed. Here we have to read, for example, we have read any number if unit place digit is 2, that can be divided by unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that can be divided by 2. If the sum of digit of any number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3, and so on. Here we have to read divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits at odd places starting from right and the sum of its digit at even places starting from right is 0 or divisible by 11. Let us see this example. I have written a number 5676. We have to check the given number 5676 is divisible by 11 or not. Then here we have not to perform actual division. We have to apply this rule. What is the rule? We shall find the sum of digits at odd place. Sum of digits at odd places, and this odd place and even place will be counted from the right side or the unit place side. Then this is 6 is the odd place. 6 is the first place, 1, and if we are counting the digit, what we see? First place, second place, third place and fourth place. First place is odd place, again third place is odd place, and here we count second place is even place, fourth place is even place. We have to add the digits at the odd place. It means 6 plus 6, sum of digits at the odd places. This is first digit at the odd place 6, and this is second digit, this is also 6. 6 plus 6, this is equal to 12. Now we have to find the sum of digits at the even places. Here we are counting first place and second place. This second place is at the even place, and this fourth place is also even place. Then we have to find the sum of digits at the even place. 7 plus 5. Here I have written sum of digits at even places. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Then what is to be done? We have to find the differences of these two, the sum of digits at odd places and sum of digit at even places. We have to find the difference. Sum of digits at odd place minus sum of digits at even place. That is, sum of digit at odd place is 12 and sum of digits at even place is also 12. The difference 12 minus 12 is 0. The difference, the given number is divisible by 11. Here what we have seen, if the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Here this given number 5676 is divisible by 11. It will be more clear from the next example. We are discussing the next example. In next example I have written a number 90,720. So what is to be done? Here we shall find the sum of digits at odd places, then we shall find the sum of digits at even places. First we have to see which digits are at the odd places and which digits are at the even places, and always we have to count the odd and even is to be counted from right side. It means always from the unit side. We have always count from unit side, that is right side, always count. This is 8 is the first place. First place means odd place. Then second place, third place, 7 is at the third place. This is also at the odd place. And then 9, fifth place, fifth digit at fifth place is also at the odd place. First, this is first digit, third digit and fifth digit. All these three digits are at the odd places, odd place. And now second digit at the even place, no third, again fourth digit is the even place. Here what we see, when we count from the right side, always memorize it. We have to count the odd and even place from the right side. First odd, second even, third odd, fourth even, fifth odd. Now we have decided which digits are at the odd place and which are at the even place. Now what is to be done? Now we have to find the sum of digits. Sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at even places. The sum of digits at odd places means first digit at odd place 8, then plus 8 plus 7, I have written 7 and then 9. This is the sum of digits at the odd places. And now sum of digits at even places, second digit 2 even place, 0 at the even place, 2 plus 0. Sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at even places, 8 plus 7 plus 9 minus 2 plus 0. This is equal to 24 minus 2, 22. 22 is divided by 11. So this given number is also divided by 11. This can be divided by 11. Now, clear? Now we have read the divisibility by 7, but here once we have to revise how we can say any given number is divisible by 7 or not. Here I am saying a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the number at one's place and the other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. That should be 0 or multiple of 7. This is a small number 406, and what is the rule? Unit place digit is 6. This 6 will be multiplied by 2 and then it will be subtracted from the remaining number. If the unit place digit will be removed, then what will left here? 40 will left here. Then 40 minus 2 into 6. 40 minus 12 is equal to 28. 28 is a multiple of 7. So this given number is divisible by 7. Now this is a small number. In case of larger number, how we apply this rule? Here I have written 17,674. We have to check this given number is divisible by 11 or not. Sorry, this number is divisible by 7 or not. The same rule will be applied. The unit place digit is 4. If 4 will be removed, then this 4 digit will left here. 1767 minus 2 into 4. Why 4? Because 4 is the unit place. Unit place digit is multiplied by 2 and remaining numbers are here. 1767 minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8. This is equal to 1759. Clear? Now it is also not clear. We cannot say easily this is divisible by 7 or not. Here again we shall apply the same rule. The same, again repeat the same process, same step or same rule. Again here what is to be done? Here unit place is 9. This 9 will be multiplied by 2 and the remaining number is 175. 175 minus 2 into 9. This is equal to 18. 175 minus 9 into 2 is equal to 18. This is equal to 157. Again there are 3 digits. Again we have to apply the same rule. And what is the rule? To check the divisibility by 7, the unit place digit will be multiplied by 2. Now in this step, what is the unit place digit? 7 is the unit place digit. It will be multiplied by 2 and then it will be subtracted from the remaining number. Here 15 minus 2 into 7. 15 minus 14. This is equal to 1. And this number is not the difference. difference is not 0 or multiple of 7. So, this given number is not divisible by 7. This is a common rule, and this rule can be applied in different steps also. In case of larger number, in one step it will be not clear, then the same process will be repeated for many times, and we shall repeat this process so many times when either the difference will be 0 or a smaller number will be left there. In case of larger number, we repeat the same step till the difference is 0 or a smaller number. In one video, next video, once again we shall revise divisibility rule of 7, 11, 6 and some important things. Then we shall discuss the general rules of divisibility. Thanks.